4 easy health and fitness tips. The US has seen an enormous increase within the number of individuals considered obese by the medical profession. After all, many call it an obesity epidemic. To combat this, we discover all kinds of pharmaceutical companies selling the quick fix pills, powders, and lotions that do nothing to truly help people take the fat off and keep it off. Of course, the identical might be said of the diet industry still. There are such a large amount of different diets going around now, you'll pick one a month and in an exceedingly year's time still have more to decide on from. What is truly needed are some sensible proven weight loss tips that folks can implement regardless of what their present well-being is. That said, let's dive right in. Number 1. Drink more water. Only too often Americans are borderline dehydrated, then their bodies are performing on the water starvation reflex and not flushing the toxins and junk out. Number 2. Eat more often. I bet you thought I used to be visiting say eat less. While it's true that to melt off you would like to eat less calories than you expend, you need to eat more often to urge the metabolic furnace stoked up and burning right. Tumble out of starvation mode. So start the day without work with breakfast. Even a moment breakfast drink and a bit of fruit as we head out the door within the morning. Number 3. Move more. Looking on your well-being, you would like to be moving more. Use the steps instead of the elevator, park farther out from the office or the shop, select a walk round the block, go dancing, play along with your kids. Make it fun. Running isn't the sole thanks to burn more calories. Number 4. Finally, determine your why. Decide why you wish to discard fat. Make your reason large enough to motivate you through the slumps that invariably happen. Personally, my reason was to be able to live to determine my great-grandkids graduate college. My youngest kids are 4 and 6 now. Besides, I wanted to urge out and play with them without being out of breath all the time.